I hope you all are safe at home. In our previous lecture, we have completed number system. Today we are going to start new chapter from your NCERT book. Chapter number 5, The Way the World Looks. Chapter name is The Way the World Looks. So let's begin. So in this chapter, we will be discussing about the objects which look different from different views. We will learn about objects which look different from different views. Top view, side view and front view. In three ways: top view, side view and front view. Students, remember chapter number 1, building with bricks. I have shown you three views of brick, and at a time a brick can show only three faces. So in this chapter also we would be discussing about the different views. So let me give you one example. So here, what is this in my hand? Yes, this is a pencil. So like this, if I would like to show you from top. So this is the top view, and top view of this pencil looks like a circle as it is round in shape. Second example which I would like to show you is water bottle. So as you can see where it is written, this is a which view? This is front view. Front view of this water bottle. And if I twist like this, so this is the side view of water bottle. So this concept should be clear about top view, side view and front view. So before moving further, we will discuss these three topics. Number 1, what are shapes? Number 2, open and closed shapes. Number 3, 3D and 2D shapes. So let's start.
What are shapes? In Hindi we say aakar. A shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary or outer surface. So students, everything we see in the world around us has a shape. These geometric shapes appear in objects like credit cards, house, windows, flower pots, balloons, etc. Different types of shapes. Shapes can be classified into open and closed shapes. Now, what is an open shape? An open shape can be defined as a shape or figure whose line segments or curves do not meet. They do not start and end at the same point. In simple words, we can say if there is a gap in the shape, it is called an open shape. So here are some examples of open shapes as you can see. Now, what is a closed shape? A closed shape can be defined as a figure whose line segments or curves are connected or meet. They start and end at the same point. In simple words, we can say if there is no gap in the shape, it is called a closed shape. So here are some examples of closed shapes which you can see. So as you can see, here figures are starting and ending at the same point and there is no gap in the shape. Now let's do some questions related to this topic. So question 1, is this shape open or closed? So in this shape there is a gap. So which type of shape it is? Answer, open shape. Question 2, is this shape open or closed? So in this shape you can see there is no gap. Answer, closed shape. Question 3, is this shape open or closed? So in this shape there is a gap. So answer, this is an open shape. Now, closed shapes can further be put into two broad categories. Number 1, 2-dimensional or 2D shapes. Number 2, 3-dimensional or 3D shapes. What is a 2D shape? A shape or a figure that has a length and a breadth only is a 2D shape. The sides are made of straight or curved lines. They can have any number of sides. Examples of 2D shapes. The first shape you can see, triangle. It is a 2D shape. It has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. The second shape you can see is circle. It is a round flat 2D shape. No straight sides, only one curved side and no corners. The third shape you can see here is square. In square, it is a 2D shape. 4 sides are of same length, 4 90-degree angles and 4 corners. Then rectangle, it is also a 2D shape which has 4 sides where the opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. All the angles of a rectangle are equal to 90 degree. Next, pentagon. It is also a 2D shape. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. Then hexagon. It is also 2D shape. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. Then heptagon. It has 7 sides and 7 corners. Octagon. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. Then nonagon, it has 9 sides and 9 corners. Then decagon, it has 10 sides and 10 corners. So here is a summary of 2D shapes. So students, just pause the video and go through it. Now, what is a 3D shape? 3-dimensional 3D shapes are solid shapes. They have 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. The main components of 3D shapes are faces, edges and vertices. A face is a flat surface. An edge is where 2 faces meet. A vertex is a corner where edges meet. The plural is vertices. So in figure I have shown you face, edge and vertex. Now examples of 3D shape: cube and cuboid. They are 3-dimensional shapes which consist of 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. Cubes and cuboids are shaped like boxes. Cube has square faces and all the edges are equal in length, whereas cuboid has rectangular faces where all the edges are not equal in length. So here cylinder, sphere and cone are also example of 3D shape.
So now let us do some practice questions. Question number 1. Match the side view of the objects with their top view. So here side views are drawn and here top view. You have to match these objects. So if you see this shape from top, how does it look? Number 3. This candle, how does it look from top? Number 1. You can see here from top, how does it look? Number 3, ice cream cone. So how does it look from top? Like this. So match this with number 2. Now question number 2. Name the views of each of the following objects. A part, a water bottle. So here you can see a water bottle. So this bottle is kept like this. So which view is this? Whether it is side view, front view or top view, this is side view. So right here, S-I-D-E, side view. Now which view is this? They are saying about this view. Which view is this? If you look water bottle from top, it looks like this. So this is top view. Right here, T-O-P, top view. Now, which view is this? This bottle is kept like this. You can see from front. So this is front view. Right here, F-R-O-N-T, front view. Clear? Now, B part, a table. So which view is this? Yes, this is a side view. Right here, S-I-D-E, side view. Which view is this? You can see this table from front. This is front view. Right here, front view. So which view is this? So if you look table from top, it looks flat surface just like this. So this is top view. Right here, top view. So students, if you see, I am holding marker in my hand. So what will be the top view of this? You would be watching from here. So this is the top view. And what is the side view? From here you are watching. This is the side view. Clear? So I hope students, these three views are clear. Side view, front view and top view. Next, question number 3. Complete the crossword puzzle. This is a crossword puzzle. I know students, you all have played these kind of puzzles. By writing the names of the shape with respect to the given view of the object. Clear? So across A part is top view. So this is the shape of cube. And in cube, all sides are square in shape. So this is top view would look like. Top view look like square. So A part write S Q U A R E, square. Students, across means like this. And down means we have to write like this. Clear? Now C part, side view. Side view of this cone. So if you see cone, how cone looks like? Like this. So side view looks like triangle. So C part, right here triangle. Triangle. Clear? Next, D part, top view of this shape. So what is the top view? It looks like circle. So D part write circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Now downwards. B part is side view. We have to tell side view of this bus. So this bus is looking like rectangle. Yes. So the side view of this bus is rectangle. So let us see, can rectangle fill here? Yes. Right here. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. So I hope students, this crossword puzzle you all have enjoyed.
Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So chapter number 5, The Way the World Looks, part 1 completed. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.